Writing a memoir is a big project. It calls for the project manager function. Succeeding in writing a book of memoirs in an expeditious and meaningful fashion is important. If you dwell on your manager function for even a short while before you jump into your worker mode and write, you may be very pleased with how more smoothly and quickly you can create. I'm not talking about outlining a story here. No, I'm talking about setting writing schedules that don't interfere with commitments, clearing unnecessary commitments so that they don't nag at you, getting cooperation from other people in your household, and making sure you have the research capacity to pull off writing your memoir. Writers love to dream and to do the writing. What they don't like, or especially enjoy, is planning their writing life. So the planning is overruled, and then the writing life is full of interruptions and rough going. But before we get more into this week's masterclass, let me introduce myself. For those of you who do not know me, I am Denis Ledoux. I'm a writer, I'm a teacher, and founder of the Memoir Network. I'm so pleased you have joined me today. This masterclass is brought to you by the Memoir Network's editing services. A memoir editor provides you with impartial feedback about your memoir's potential, be it your treatment of the subject matter, your style, character development, pacing, the arc of your story, and so much more. Schedule a complimentary Get Acquainted session by going to the address listed in the description of this video. And I'll also have a bonus for you at the end of this video. Now let's begin the Memoir Masterclass. A memoir project manager can help you to set goals for your memoir. Sometimes people don't like to think of writing as a project, but any endeavor can be considered a project, from novel writing to house construction to taking the dog for a walk. When you break a project down into the functions that need to be well filled if the project is to be a success, you find that someone designs the project, what the product will look like when it is finished. Here it is. Using a leash, you will have walked the dog around the block. And someone has to do the work of the project, the guy who holds the leash and does the walking. Between the two is a project manager. When we were kids, the project manager was our mother or our father telling us it was time to take the dog for a walk. Now, of course, these functions can be performed by the same person, but that heightens the risk or the possibility that a person won't do the functions she or he finds at least interesting. For creative types such as ourselves, that is the project manager function that has to be called forth. Another person tends to see the situation with more clarity and tends to see what needs to be done with more emphasis. When I serve as a writer's memoir project manager, I help the writer set goals: aesthetic, what the book will be about, how it will be shaped and paced, as well as highly practical ones: the end date, the length, the writing schedule. When I serve as a writer's coach, which of course is a writing project manager, I keep the writer on the straight and narrow. I address what appears to be procrastination and fear creativity and so forth. It's different for every writer, of course, but a coach can often get a writer to complete a project more quickly, more satisfactorily, and better than the writer might on her own. Traditionally, editors at publishing houses served in this function, or an agent would do it. These people no longer serve in the project manager functions for your writing. That is no longer what is possible. Memoir project manager is simply a metaphor for the coaching and editing function in many, many instances. Often a distinction is made between coach and editor, but in practice the two function in a continuum. Is the memoir project manager function being honored in your writing life? Do you need to find someone outside of yourself to fill this function, to be more expeditious, to be more focused in your writing? If so, think coach or editor. If you would like to explore receiving help with your memoir on any aspect of memoir writing or publishing, know that we offer a 30-minute complimentary get-to-know-you coaching consultation. The link to a free consultation is in the description below. And before you go, please hit the subscribe button at the bottom left of this video and click on the bell next to it. Subscribing assures this memoir writing content will appear on your YouTube homepage and recommendations bar. Check the description below for a link to this week's free video e-course, and remember, inch by inch is a cinch, yard by yard is hard. Good luck writing your stories. The videos that we post on the Better Memoir Writing Masterclass channel are just one of the many ways we can help people write better memoir. I'd like to take just a few moments to share more of what the Memoir Network can offer you by way of partnering with you to write and publish your memoir. Our free membership program, My Memoir Education, offers you access to e-courses, e-books, videos, and more. We have had thousands of people benefit from the free My Memoir Education to write their memoirs, and we hope you will become a member too. Our blog contains over 500 in-depth posts on different aspects of memoir writing, and it too is free. Come on over and pick and choose what you need. While free content can be very helpful, there comes a time when you need more focus and more mentoring than you can get from free. We offer coaching, editing, whether copy editing, content editing, or developmental editing, ghostwriting, and book production. Our website features many of our clients' book covers and testimonials. Come and check us out. We also have a number of programs you can purchase. The Memorable Story is a 10-module home study program on every aspect of memoir writing. It provides university-level mentoring. The Inspired Memoir Writer is a group coaching program. You meet with fellow writers over a period of 10 sessions. We also offer Jumpstart Memoir Professional Packages, which are designed for people who would like to help others write their memoir. If you're interested in knowing more, please feel free to call us or email us at info@thememoirnetwork.com. Thanks, and keep writing.